Trading and profit and loss account with adjustment, class 11th. Question number 7 of T.S. Grewal. Following are the balances extracted from books of Narayan on 31st March 2021. I am fill out the whole of the terms of trial balance. First is capital 3 lakh, drawings 50,000, furniture and fittings 26,000, business premises 2 lakh, opening stock 2 lakh 20,000, rent from tenants 10,000, purchases 11 lakh, sales 15 lakh, sales return 20,000, discount on debit side 16,000, discount on credit side 20,000, insurance 20,000, general expenses 40,000, salary 90,000, commission 22,000, carriage on purchase 18,000, bad debts written off 8,000, and here bank OD 42,000, and creditors will be 1,38,000. Now we will move on towards the adjustment of this question. Additional information: closing stock as on 31st March 2021 was rupees 2,06,000, whereas its net realizable value was 2,05,000. So net realizable value does not affect our trading and profit and loss account or final statement. So we will note closing stock at our book value. On credit side of trial balance, on credit side of trading account, and asset side of balance sheet by closing stock 2,06,000. Here also we written on asset side closing stock 2,06,000. Fine. Second adjustment: depreciation on business premises by 3,000. Depreciate business premises by 3,000 less depreciation 3,000. So net value is 1,97,000. And depreciate furniture and fitting by 2,500 less depreciation 10 minus 5, 4 minus 2, sorry, 5 minus 2, 3, 1,35,000. Sorry, 13,500. And business premises is 1,97,000. यहाँ जो है आपका ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में 2 depreciation on furniture which is 2,500 and depreciation on business premises is 3,000. So total depreciation is 5,500. Clear? Next is make a provision of 5% on bad debts. हमें bad debts पे on debtors for doubtful debts, हमें अपने जो debtors doubtful हैं उनके ऊपर 5% प्रोविजन बनाने. सो यहाँ पे bad debts को कुछ दे नहीं रखते थे, यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट बना देंगे लेस 5% provision for doubtful debts. 1,80,000 का 5% कितना होएगा? 9,000. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा 1,70,000. 1000, तो यहाँ आ जाएगा आपका 2 provision for doubtful debts 9000. Clear? Next adjustment is carry forward 2000 for unexpired insurance. Less unexpired insurance is prepaid insurance 2000 और आपका प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस आ जाएगा यहाँ पे असेट साइड में प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस 2000, यहाँ आपकी नेट फिगर आ गई 18,000. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी 15,000. सैलरी आपकी आउटस्टैंडिंग 15,000 मैंने आउटर में लिख दिया था, इस पे भी एडजस्टमेंट है 90,000 प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरीज 15,000 1,05,000. Clear? So here we done all the adjustment. Now we will do addition and subtraction of this question. Now we calculate profit and loss of trading profit and loss account. By mistaken I write out rent from tenant on debit side. It will be our income, rent from tenants. ठीक है? Gross profit of trading account is credit side total is 16,80,600 and debit side total is 13,38,000. So our profit is 3,42,600 will be our gross profit. हम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में लिख देंगे 2 gross profit 3,42,600. यहां आपका आ गया बाय gross profit 3,42,600. Now total of debit side of profit and loss account of 2,23,600 and credit side total is 3,72,500. So our net profit will be 1,49,100. This is our net profit. To net profit 1,49,100. Here we write down the balances of our profit and loss account. 3,72,500. Here 3,72,500. Clear? Now we add net profit in our capital. One net profit 1,49,100. So our capital is 3,99,100 and total of balance sheet, both asset side and liability side. Let's see whether it will match or not. Outstanding salaries were left out to be written on liability side. Outstanding salaries 15,000. So here is the total of our debit size 5,94,100. Here is also 5,94,100. Okay. So here we completed question number 7 of T.S. Grewal class 11 final account with adjustment.